I want to get to the car companies. Got lots of stuff going on here. Driverless car startup Argo, A-R-G-O. It's got $1 billion coming in from Ford Motor Company, and it's luring talent from Uber and Apple. All right, Gary, it seems to me that Ford is moving away from its core business, which is making vehicles. Is it?
Not necessarily moving away. Look, when people start using these driverless cars, these ride-sharing services, the companies are going to have to still sell them the cars to make. So it makes sense to bring it all together. Ford put money into this last year. This company's grown very quickly, and Ford's now testing self-driving cars on the road. It's testing cars that aren't self-driving but have these self-driving interfaces for deliveries with Postmates that they're trying to get a sense of what people think about driverless cars, and they're going to be putting them on the street pretty soon.
You've got to tell me about Toyota as well, because they're doing something similar. They're planning $1 billion investment in Grab. That's a ride-sharing startup. That's another shift, isn't it? I mean, this is Toyota, the maker of great cars, and now they're into ride-sharing. That's another shift.
Honda's also invested in that company. Look, General Motors is hooked up with Lyft. Mercedes is hooked up with Via. Again, if people aren't buying cars, they still need to ride in cars. Why not get a piece of the action, not just selling the cars to these companies, but also getting access to the revenue being generated by them, not to mention all the data.
All right, and Toyota's up this morning, 135 on Toyota.